Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how to easily disable the microphone on your iPhone. Friends, please do not forget to put likes under the video. Also write your comments after watching and be sure to subscribe to our channel. So friends, let's get to our topic. And now I will show you step by step how you can easily disable the microphone on your iPhone if you do not need it. This feature works on absolutely any iPhone. So, first, you'll need to open the settings on your iPhone and then scroll down to the bottom of the settings and select the privacy and security option. Go to it. Next here, find the microphone option. Also open it. So as you can see, you go to this kind of list of all the apps that have access to the microphone on your iPhone. And if you would like to disable the microphone on a particular app, then you just have to find that app and then click on this button right next to it so that it turns this gray color so you can turn off the microphone. And in the same way, if you want to turn the microphone on, then, friends, you need to activate this button so that it turns green. In this way, you'll turn on the microphone to a certain application. Friends, in this very simple and quick way, you can easily disable the microphone on absolutely any of your iPhones. I really hope you found this video useful. Please don't forget to write comments, be sure to put your likes and subscribe to our channel. See you, friends.